Today I'm going to show you how to make flaky swordfish with a buttery lemon garlic sauce. Finally, a recipe that combines my love for medieval weapons and aquatic animals. Leo cooks things, I cook things. We're going to start by lemon barters and barters of butters and garlics. Let's start by making our butter lemon garlic sauce. First up, chives. Stay out of the long grass. If you're allergic to these, don't use them. The last thing you want is to break out in chives. Beep, not a tablespoon of garlic. In a bowl and not in our mouths, we're going to put 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. In a bowl. Butter. Boop. I'm also going to use the zest of 1 lemon. The reason we use zest is because it adds that lemony flavor without any of the acidity. Your zest. Only losers go home and whine about their zest. Winners go home and f the prom queen. Boop, boop, boop. I still want some acidity, so I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Then we're going to add in our garlic. Pew! And we're going to add in our chives as well. And now mash it all together. This will be our butter sauce later. Look, future butter sauce here. Next up, swordfish. A little freshly crackles on the swordfish. Boop, 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 boop. And a little pinch of salt also. Tap it in, just tap it in. Fish is ready, let's cook it. You want a medium-high heat for your fish. A little bit of olive oil goes down. Put your fish down. We're gonna cook this thing for about 3 minutes. Once it's cooked enough, it'll unstick itself. Now we're gonna flip it, beautiful. Beautiful, AKA gorgeous. Now we're gonna put this in a 400-degree oven for about 5 minutes. 5 minutes. While we wait, we're gonna finish our butter sauce. Put our butter sauce in a pan. Normally I would do this in a saucepan, but you wouldn't be able to see it as well. So you're welcome. You smell so good. We're gonna let this go until it starts bubbling a little bit. See how the butter's bubbling? That's what we're looking for. This doesn't take very long. That's it. That's how easy that is. Now just plate your piece of fish. Beautiful. Now we're gonna spoon our butter mixture all over this. We're also gonna do a couple capers and a little freshly crackles on top.
On
guard. Swordfish. Fish, 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 fish. Hard to beat that. Woo! Swordfish is so good. Hey! Bye, friends. Fish, 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 fish.